Introverts, where you at? Want to make money on YouTube but are too shy to show your face? Worry no more, because you can actually earn money from your favorite social media platform without showing your face or just being voiceless for that matter. For today's video, I will be inspiring you and giving you 5 examples of YouTube channels that earn up to about $300 per day without having to show your face. Hey guys, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, where we talk about different ways to replace your 9 to 5. It could be affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, and much more. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're up to date daily. Now on to the video. This is definitely one of the best opportunities to earn money on YouTube and engage in work that can bring in a lot of passive revenue without having to reveal your face. So before we go through some very popular faceless YouTube channels out there, let's talk about what a faceless YouTube channel is. The faceless YouTube channel is a method of YouTube video creation where there is no person in front of the camera as the subject of the video. Also, we'll be talking about what their content and strategy are and how much they earn on their channel. And yes, overall, this is basically just going to be using voiceovers, music, and stock footage. Sounds familiar, right? So let's go on to the popular faceless YouTube channels. First, we're going to be looking at Temponaut Timelaps channel. Everything taken on this channel is in time-lapse mode, a unique content that gives information on how something evolved over a long period of time. It's seen things as you've never seen them before. According to Social Blade, Temponaut Timelaps has an estimated 4.3K to 69.3K earnings per month, which amounts to about 52K to 831K estimated earnings per year. Again, these are estimations. It has a total of 439 uploaded videos, and this channel has already reached over 1 million subscribers as of 2022. If you're looking for music while you're doing your meditation or you just want to relax, maybe you want to hop on Meditation Relax Music's channel. For those who want to put up a channel like this, you can just search on Google and look for free licensed music to avoid copyright issues. You can also put up free stock videos by searching for them on Pexels or Pixabay. In terms of estimated earnings, Meditation Relax Music has an estimated earning of $869 to $13,000 per month, which amounts to about 10K to 166K in estimated earnings per year. Again, these are just estimated earnings. It has 227 uploaded videos and the total of over 2 million subscribers as of 2022, according to Social Blade. Next, we have Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas channel. If you're gifted in making whiteboard animation videos, also using your talent in making doodles, then this content is for you. Many viewers are easily hooked by this kind of video since it is fun and engaging way of communicating audiences. They not only teach something, but they're also entertaining. Whiteboard animation is a great tool for making lessons more accessible and memorable. According to Social Blade, Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas has an estimated earning of $612 to over $9,000 per month, which amounts to about $7,000 to $117,000 in estimated earnings per year. It has 556 uploaded videos and a total of 853,000 subscribers as of 2022. If you're interested in gathering information by using a countdown and comparison content video about the military, the economy of different countries around the world, or topics related to cars and bikes, well, then Felix 10's channel is for you. Making videos like this channel can broaden your learning about a certain thing that catches viewers' attention. Applying stock videos, voiceovers, and interesting music and effects in these kinds of videos can attract even more viewers. According to Social Blade, Felix 10's has an estimated earnings of $48 to $771 per month, which amounts to $578 to over $9,000 in estimated earnings per year. It has 73 uploaded videos and a total of 532,000 subscribers as of 2022. Lastly, if you're more into buying things and want to review them by using unboxing videos, then the Relaxing End can be one of your aspirational earning channels. You can get extra money paid by Amazon through affiliate marketing, and when you do an unboxing video and put the Amazon link below, Amazon pays you 25% of every single sale. According to Social Blade, the relaxing end is an estimated earnings of $4,000 to $65,000 per month, which amounts to about $49,000 to about $789,000 in estimated earnings per year. It already has 3,931 uploaded videos and a total of 8 million subscribers as of 2022. Are you already convinced to do a faceless YouTube channel? Before starting it, just think about what you want to do for your channel. Think about what your audience is watching, the age group, the target age of your audience, and the category of your videos, as well as the length of videos. That's where you can evaluate and plan your content and estimate what your earnings will be. If you're interested in more videos like these, just let us know. And if you want to see more, just visit the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.